the king of baby birds? Owlets or eaglets? Let's find out and quick! Number 5. Owlets are confused fuzzballs with 24/7 stare mode. Number 4. Eaglets grow like feathered tanks. Number 3. Baby owls can twist their heads like magic. Number 2. Eaglets bounce flap to prep for takeoff. Number 1. Owlets hiss like dragons when mad. Fluff or fierce, who's your favorite? Want full bird baby chaos, flaps, fails, and facts? Watch the full 10-minute episode on our YouTube channel, the KKB ZOO Crew. Tap like, follow, and drop a comment. Team Owlet or Team Eaglet?